Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to enable or disable some settings. Open your phone settings and then scroll down and look for privacy. Here's the privacy, just select it and here you will get a lot of privacy setting which you can do. Here's the privacy dashboard, select it and here you will get your permission accessed, that how much time your location, microphone or camera has been accessed in past 24 hours. And here's the much more settings or permission you can easily look. And after that, just go back. Here's the permission manager, select it. You can easily manage your permissions from here of every app. If you want to manage your camera permissions, open camera, and here's all the apps which has you have allowed or don't allow your camera permissions. Now go back and here's all the permissions which your phone have. Go back and here's the smart privacy protection. It will protect your privacy while you are in a meeting or video call. It will protect your screen sharing privacy. Now go back and hit the show password. If you want to see your password while unlocking the device, so you can easily enable it. But if you want to hide your password, you must have to disable the setting and hit the show media unlock scene. If you're playing something in background, it might be any music, videos, you just have to enable the setting. But if you want to hide them, you must have to disable. Here's the show clipboard access prompt. When you copy something, so it will be showed here keyboard. If you want to hide it, you must have to disable it. But if you want to see it, you have to enable the settings. And here's the screenshot capture. If when you capture a screenshot, it will not see show in the pop-up window. You must have to disable the setting after. And but I recommend you have to enable this. And here's the unlock to power off. When you will try to power off your device, it want your phone password, and after that you can easily power off you. So I recommend you must have to enable it. Say the notification unlock scene, just select it. And if you want to see your notification unlock scene, you must have to select the first one, which is show all notification content, and the second is show sensitive content only when unlocked, and here's the third one, which is don't show at all. If you want to hide your notification from lock scene, you must have to select the third one. Now here's some much more setting you can easily do. Here's the app encryption. If you want to encrypt your apps via any password or fingerprint, you have to look for this setting. Here's the app hiding. You can easily hide your apps from home screen. Here's the app pinning. You can easily pin your app. Now go back, go to password and security. Here you can easily manage your phone passwords. It might be any screen lock, fingerprint, and face ID. You can easily manage them from here as a security update Google Play protects. So that's how you can easily protect your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.